Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video on the View at the Hux World. Today I got another freebie for you all to check out in the Gear Manager store. I got two in the lineup and I think you guys should put this in your archives. Give me a chance and you'll see why. Watch face number one is called Change Colors with Battery. Now, I like this look. Yes, it's a minimalistic watch face, has a nice background, nice analog hands, and in the AOD mode, you got this nice premium look and feel that I love. Once the watch face is on, yes, you get a basic analog watch face. I do like the look of the background as well, and you get nice premium looking analog hands along with a nice second hand. Now, it's not interactive or anything like that. This is truly a dressed down casual watch face for everyday wear. Now, here's the fun part about this watch face. Now, depending on where your battery is so far as the charge is concerned, will depend on how your hands are going to light up. Now, I'm already at 29%. Let's take a look at it at 28%, and it's going to light up orange. Now, if your battery is fully charged, it's going to light up green, and if it's near empty, it's going to light up red. I thought that was super cool. That way you know where you are with your battery, and you're going to get the same look in the AOD mode. So depending on how your charge is, will depend on what color it lights up in the AOD mode. So I thought this was different. I definitely thought it was super cool, but at the end of the day, it's all about you. Now don't go anywhere because we got one more watch face for you guys to check out that I think you're gonna like. Watch face number two. Now this one is called Your Color, Your Style. Now, different from number one, I like this one. First off, I like the sharpness and I like the font of the numbers on this one. Has more of a premium look to it. So does the analog hands on this watch face. And you do get a nice black second hand that's cruising around the bezel of the watch. I think it should have been white, but it is black. Now, in the AOD mode, it has an elegant look to it. I like this look in this mode. But when the watch face is on, again, a traditional analog look for everyday casual wear, right? But check this out. If I double tap, I can customize the color theme of the watch face, which I thought was awesome. So depending on what you have on for that day, you can customize the color theme of the numbers to whatever you like. We're going to cycle through them all just to give you an idea as to what you're going to be looking for out of this watch face. And yes, the watch face is free for the taking in the Gear Manager store as of today. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.